my friends, it's Fawad again with one more video. I have a Samsung Note 8. I love this phone. I love the battery. I love the camera. I love everything. After the Note 9 launched, I like that one, but because of the battery and the camera only, there's those two missing parts. One actually Samsung covered it. So Samsung in September security update uh, make a little bit difference in the camera features, giving you AR emoji GIF, which is not like AR emoji but still a GIF. You can send it on a WhatsApp and your messaging services and all those things. And the best thing is super slow-mo. Battery is still not good, but if I don't want to update, that's the best I can get it for my Note 8. So okay, here it is. It shows there a new camera function has been added, AR emoji, super slow motion, and security of your device has been improved. First time Samsung is doing this is like last year device they are giving that this year's features, which is, and I appreciate that one. Okay, let's see. Okay, I install it now. It's in system updates is going on. All right, so here it is, my Galaxy Note 8. Now it's updated to the Note 9 or S9 camera features. Let's see how it's work on that one. All right, so let's see. It's ready to go. It's turn on after the update. Yeah, it says software update. Okay, let's go to the settings, go to the about phone, the software information, and in the bottom you can see that it's September 1st 2018 security patches downloaded and installed now. All right, so let's see how it's make a difference. Go to, that's the only thing I want, the camera app. All right, let's go. Oops. All right, now I go to the AR emojis, create my AR emoji. All right, and first thing when you are doing it, you have to install from there. It says from Samsung, so it's installing right now. Okay, so if I have to do that, that's mean I have to okay, I'll double check with the super slow mo too if I have to do that, install that one too. Let's see. Okay, all right, go back. Nope. Okay, turn it off, go to the camera app, turn it over to that there, super slow mo. Next, oh, it's good. That shows that we don't have to install that one. It's good. All right, let's see if it's download. No, it's still installing right now. Okay, still, yes, it's ready to go. Let's go to the camera app. And now, yeah, front facing camera, AR emojis, then click left on the blue one icon, allow there, and take a picture, click, and now it's creating mail. Next, so same thing with your S9 or S9 Plus or Note 9, you have to select all those hairstyle, color of skin, and all those things to create close to the real picture of you. So let's see if it's making any 3D is better than all right, it's kind of same like the S9 Plus. I can see that. Okay, color, change the color of my skin tone a little bit dark. All right, then it's too many hairs. Okay, make it less, more. I need more, less actually. Now on this side is more longer hairs. Let's go and try the other one. All right, more. Wow, a lot of options in the hairs. I like that. Right, make it small. Right, yeah, that's good. You can have to change the color of the hairs too. Alright, that's good. I'm happy with that. Now the glasses, you can add glasses too if you want. Alright, and then the dress. Right, good selection. The only thing I don't like right now is it's not showing me the 3D one, which I tried on S9. It's just showing on the sideways too. Okay, I take off that thing, save it, and it will save it on your gallery too. So whenever you are in messaging app, you can just see that on the side, or it gives you an option from the gallery. It's already create that one on that gallery, so you can just forward it from there. Okay, now we go to check the super slow-mo. So just with the coin. Let's see the results now. Nice, I like it. That's a 960. Okay, now we do the regular slow motion one, and the results are, oh yes, that, sorry, it was not regular, it's a 960 super slow-mo. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Have a good day. Peace.